Hello, this video is about using the WhiteLabel Ad Network from loadads.com. It will enable you to manage your own publishers that will send over traffic and advertisers that will buy the traffic in the shortest and easiest way possible. All this because of the WhiteLabel Ad Network solution, which happens to be my favorite endeavor since joining them. Ever wanted to be able to filter out the manufactured traffic from the real one? If so, here is how it can be done. Go ahead and Google search for WhiteLabel's white label for sale. It will open up this page. Do read everything and make sure that it is what you are looking for. Note that the price for the white label solution is $500. But which is a small price compared to what could be done in terms of earnings by managing a pop-under ad network. If for whatever reason PayPal is not a payment option for you, simply contact the WhiteLabel team via the contact page. Before jumping into payment, it would be wise to open the demo for the admin area, at least, and check out the functionalities. However, have seen myself that the demo presented there is not the same as the one sold, but it seems to be an older version. Therefore expect to receive a much better product, and up to date, since they are developing it even more as we speak. Anyways, let me just give you an overview of how my brand new white label looks like on the administration area. The first thing to be seen after login is the dashboard, which shows the live impressions monitor on the very top of the page, then the summary of the advertisers and publishers panels, and on the bottom is the file usage logs. Then from the right side, when clicking on View Advertisers, there is an overview of all the advertisers panels and the summary of the traffic consumed. On the deleted panels page, there will be a list of the advertisers that have been banned for whatever reason. From here, the options are to restore the banned advertisers panel, or to delete it for good with all the data that it holds. The public message page is the place from where a common message can be shown on all of the advertisers panels. For example, if is needed to let the advertisers know that certain rules have been changed, or that a system update will be taking place on a certain date, this would be the way to do it. Next comes the bulk email sending functionality, from where all advertisers' emails can be seen. So one email could be sent to multiple advertisers plus an extra recipients box. The last submenu from the advertisers area is the payment history. This holds the logs of the executed payments. The actions that can be done on here are only view logs and delete logs. At Publishers Administration, the things are pretty much the same as on the advertisers. There is an easy way of managing all the publishers. There are individual buttons for adjusting the settings for each publisher panel. There is a way of recovering deleted panels. There is a way of sending out putting a public message to all publishers, or sending bulk emails, and also there is the payment history on the front end menu. From the front end settings submenu, there are various options that will apply the changes to the front end area only. The options are enabling friendly links, selecting a background animation, adding new meta tags, and adding an external visitor tracker or using the internal one. The social contacts settings is where from external links could be added towards Facebook, Tumblr, and Skype. Leaving empty one of the fields will disable the corresponding area on the front end. From the media gallery, one should be able to upload and delete any of the images that eventually will be used on the front end area. On the meta tags page is the place from where all the front pages could be changed, and the images from the media gallery could be assigned. Things like page title, meta description, meta keywords, header image, body head, body subhead. The settings menu is the most important one. From the admin off page, the admin accounts can be managed, allowing access to more than one person to the administration area of the entire ad network. From the config data, the general things that are site-wide can be changed. The WordPress plugin archive name, the site title, the engine name used, the contact email, and motto are the main editable fields. From the payment modes page, things like payment usage type and emails could be changed. These are mainly used for receiving and monitoring the advertisers' payments. From the external flow page, the unused traffic from the in-house advertisers could be delivered to any external links. There is a module for mining Monero on the pop-under pages via a JavaScript module. There are the direct links outflow, with ASN filtering, and direct links outflow, bulk, which are used to deliver the traffic to upstream sites or external campaigns. There is also a block for recollecting the traffic that got rejected by an external campaign or network. And there is also the visual graphic with the daily traffic usage, and its related management, like deleting the old logs, etc. From the advertiser CPM payments, the default advertiser's CPM can be changed, meaning that the price paid by the advertisers per 1,000 impressions will be the one entered out here. From the publisher CPM payments, the minimum publisher payment threshold can be changed, and also the price for the ASN traffic, penalties, bonuses, and the default mediocre CPM costs can be established. From the publisher's geos payments settings, individual country-based prices could be established. The system covers for about 250 countries, separated into two blocks, the fine geos and the bulk geos. From the publisher's IP plus ASN manage page, individual IPs and IP classes could be added. Also, there is a built-in module for blocking ASN-generated traffic with the ability of redirecting it to any external link. On the bottom there is the daily log history showing the blocked traffic progress. From the publisher's proxy manage page, the built-in module for rejecting proxy impressions can be activated or deactivated at will. Again, redirecting this traffic to external sources could be done with ease. On the end of the page there is the daily log history showing the blocked proxy progress. From the publisher's filters manage page, various filters could be applied, allowing to trim out most of the bot's generated traffic. This comes in handy when needing to remove the manufactured, faked, traffic. From the publisher's uniques overall page, the interval for resetting the system's IP monitoring interval can be entered. This is used for rejecting duplicated impressions coming from multiple accounts. From publisher's block sources page, a certain range of links or links fragments can be rejected, meaning that the system will filter out impressions coming from the rejected links. There is also a way of capturing this flow and redirecting it to some external destination. From the halt settings page, the entire publisher's area or advertiser's area can be enabled or disabled. This will affect all panels from the targeted areas, and the last menu to be presented here is the system logs, with its submenus, front-end logs, admin logs, errors logs, and 404 logs. All these are dedicated to monitoring different parts of the system, starting from the front end to the administrator actions. That would be all related to the white label. Feel free to leave your comments below. Thank you.